Dreams is the UK's leading bed retailer. We have, as of today, 2,189 colleagues across 207 shops around the country, and we have a factory in Albury in the West Midlands that produces 15,000 bed products each week. Good customer experience means to me something you'd talk about, something you'd share with family and friends and recommend, you feel warm about, and you want to tell people how good it was. At Dreams, we introduced a program called Pillow Talk. We introduced it very early on after I joined the business 8 years ago. And it's a tool really to listen to customers. And the purpose of it is really to listen to as many customers as possible. We can handle the truth type of message of let us know what you think. Good tech infrastructure is as important as the foundations of the business these days. You know, everyone that comes to Dreams has touched some of our tech. There's no doubt about it before they come into one of our shops. There can be challenges for customers through that journey, and I think good infrastructure, better infrastructure, seamless infrastructure, you know, less treacle for the customer is a fundamental of not just retail businesses, but really any consumer-facing business going forward.
Yeah, Mike had a great term of treacle. We've often used friction as the term, but it's the same stuff. It's to remove those barriers in journeys. It's to make it easier for people to interact.
We measure every part of our customer journey, and we review it in microscopic detail, our teams would tell you.
One important thing about the Netcall solutions is that reporting is built in and of high value. So the outcomes from the interactions between customers and our clients, between Dreams and their customers, we've got all of the detail, and it's not just data, we're trying to provide insight. So we want our reports to be taken straight in and actionable at the board level, so people get a real picture of what's going on.
You've got to be quick in this business. You've got to be nimble, or the customer won't reward you, or the colleague will decide that they want to work with somebody else. So it is paramount for leadership teams to listen quickly, respond even quicker. As the business has grown and our tech infrastructure has grown, I would say it's made it easier for us to get greater insight on how the customer's feeling about us. So, you know, in this process, you know, with Netcall, you know, analysing how we are performing in terms of, you know, the thousands of contacts we're getting, our speed of response, our length of calls, and it's certainly much easier than having somebody standing in every store around the country or listening into every phone call. The tech is enabling us to listen to our colleagues and customers pretty effectively. So my view on the employee experience and how that impacts the eventual customer experience is it's totally fundamental. If we don't care for our colleagues can't care for our customers. And if our colleagues don't feel empowered, trained effectively, then we're gonna hear that and see that in sales and hear that through Pillow Talk. So for me, it's fundamental. Care for colleagues, and the colleagues will care for the customer.
In terms of the colleague experience and the employee experience, we're absolutely as one with Mike. You can't have great customer experience unless you treat the employees properly and get their feedback and insight. So we're really a supporting actor in this, and we're supporting the Dreams colleagues to do their job better, which is to improve their end customer experience. So we really provide the tools for Dreams to do what they want. So Netcall won't prescribe exactly how you should handle your contacts or exactly what you should do on the web, but we give you the tools and we empower our customers to do what's right for their business. We enable Dreams to deliver the experience that they want to deliver in these digital channels.
I think the success of Dreams over the last 8 years is down to two factors that we've touched on today. Is one, our colleagues have been amazing. and they have used all of the tools that we provided for them to provide better customer service. And our customers, on the whole, by the way, I wish it was every single one all of the time, but the vast majority have had a great experience, have told family and friends, and that's why we've continued to grow every year for 8 years. Sustainable growth only comes about because you're selling good product with great people, and customers are happy to tell people about their experience. I hate spending money, so when I've had a good customer experience, I'm going to talk about it. And I think for me, that's what a good customer experience is about. You'll share it, you feel good about it, you've spent your money wisely.